My name is Tom Kuhn. I'm the director of the Ross County Historical Society, and I want to welcome you to the early afternoon session, which is titled "The Material Evidence of History." And I know you've been involved in this program. Well, this is the second day, and you've kind of traveled all over eastern Ohio. Where were you this morning? Adina?
Yeah.
And where are you going next?
Back to Adina.
Back to Adina?
You're very
Okay. Well, anyway, we're going to talk about objects or things or material culture. What we're going to try to do is explain how we as historians extract historical information out of material culture using the object collections of our historical organization here and the Adina State Memorial, where you just came from. We will try to show you how historians and curators and historic preservationists analyze and document physical evidence in the study of history. We will also try to show you how we access the information in collections by looking at museum collection records. That will be toward the very end. First of all, does anybody have a clue what is meant by material culture? Anybody ever thought much of that? When you read the syllabus for the program, did anybody say, gee, I wonder what they mean by material culture? Well, basically, material culture is stuff. It's all things that people leave behind. All the things that people make from the physical world, such as tools or ceramics or houses or furniture and toys and art and covered wagons, automobiles, you name it. That's what we mean when we say material culture. Material culture is the physical manifestation, and this is the sterile explanation of it, of human culture, the artifacts that we leave behind. In the study of local history, which is what we do here at the Ross County Historical Society, material culture is a physical reference point to the history of our area, to Ross County. Now, some of the ground that we hope to cover this afternoon would be how objects tell a story and can be used as a part of an historical record. You might have already got into a little bit about that in some of your previous sessions. Also, how historians identify historical objects and what are the important things that historians look for when handling objects. Another thing that we want to talk about is how historians use the evidence of material culture when conducting restoration projects, such as what went on several years ago at the Adina State Memorial. Also, how historians pull together and use groups of objects to tell a story, such as what we're going to look at in some of our exhibits today. And how do museums use material culture or objects? There's probably a surprising number of ways that we do that. And how do museums get our collections of material culture? And then how can you, as a member of the public, access the collections of material culture at various museums? So